Dr. Lang's speech today, I thank him from the bottom of my heart because he's talking about a real problem. I know it, and she knows it, and probably most of you know that. We have got to get our communities right, and we have got to have a culture of transparency. You see, again, Middle Eastern culture is a beautiful culture. And Middle Eastern culture is based on lack of transparency. In other words, we tolerate each other. We don't talk about problems. We don't bring out the dirty laundry. But in America, that doesn't work. In America, we have a different type of culture altogether. There's another cultural issue that I, as an American, want to know the problems. And I have got to know the problems. And all of us are that way. We want to talk about them. We want to solve them. We want to look for solutions. And we have to do that in our communities.